Welcome to Bernadette's Post, and today I'll be showing how I made cheesesteak subs, so stay tuned. So you will need 1 frozen steak, sub buns, mozzarella cheese, 2 to 3 onions, a half a tablespoon of butter, a half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and sliced bell peppers. Rinse the bell pepper, remove the seeds, and slice very thin. Remove the peeling off the onion and slice very thin. Remove the peeling off the garlic and finely mince. Thinly slice the frozen steak with a sharp knife and set aside. Grate some mozzarella. Add the onions into a frying pan with the butter on medium heat, and then saute until they become transparent, and then turn the heat down to low and add the sugar and continue stirring and sauteing until they become caramelized and golden. Add the minced garlic and saute about 1 minute. Add the sliced bell peppers and continue sauteing for about another 2 minutes. Add the very thin sliced steak and then saute until it becomes medium well. Once the steak is cooked, add the honey and then continue stirring for about 2 minutes. Slice some sub buns and put onto a baking tray under broil heat just to get a nice crisp. Place shredded mozzarella on top of the sub buns and then place the steak mixture on top of that and place into the oven under broil just until the cheese melts. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to see more of my videos, just make sure you click that subscribe button.